Okay, so it's been almost 6 months since I did a video, and I figured it's time to do one. This one's going to be super short. Probably should have done it as a short, but I didn't. So this is what we got. It's going to be for a very specific group of people as well. It's going to be for the users of the Cannular Pro, who also have the splash card. And I guess for anyone that's thinking about getting the Cannular Pro or Cannular that has a splash card and wants to know how to make it better. It shouldn't have to be this way, but here's what we're going to do. We're going to put duct tape on it. That'll fix it. It actually does. But just as a little background, if you've ever used a Cannular Pro, especially on the tall cans, probably even more with the actual 500 milliliter cans from Cannular or from Kegland, but with the regular 473 milliliter or 16 ounce cans, you notice when it's spinning, the bottom bit of beer likes to kind of fly out and everywhere, just under the splash guard. The splash guard is approximately an inch or so, maybe an inch and a half, too short. So basically when the can's spinning, all the foam or whatever that's on the top of it kind of spins off and it will shoot to the sides. This is a really easy fix. You can basically just add an inch or two of material at the bottom. In this case, I went with duct tape. It goes on easy, comes off easy at the end, and it actually does a really good job of keeping the splash down. If you put on the duct tape and put some sort of a tray to catch the fluid underneath, you can actually make this thing a lot cleaner than just using their regular splash guard, which all it needed again was an extra inch or so to make it a lot more useful. And just as another little tip that I have when using the splash guard, I basically take a piece of paper towel, kind of duct tape it to the top so that all the beer, when it's flowing down the side of the splash guard, it doesn't actually just flow onto the top and then go down the sides and everywhere else. If you put a little cloth on the top or a paper towel, it'll absorb all that and just make it slightly less messy. It's going to be messy either way, but that's what I do. That's what you get. 6 months of work to do this one. But if you liked it or it was useful and you haven't already subscribed, feel free to do a subscription. Not a subscription, just subscribe. And maybe like the video. Say a comment down below at how stupid the idea was. Whatever you want to do. Either way, hopefully coming out with some more soon. I'm on vacation for a couple weeks and I'll be away, but hoping to get back to some more videos. Got some other ones in the hopper. Got some old ones. But enough talking anyway. Video. Maybe. I don't even... Yeah. Later.